Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Karim. We're happy to have you with us in another English lesson for beginners. If you're learning English step by step, you're in the right place.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn English in a place that almost everyone visits every week, the supermarket. This is a very useful lesson because shopping is part of our daily life.
Imagine you're traveling to an English-speaking country. You enter a supermarket, but you don't know how to ask for milk, bread, fruit, or the price of an item. It can feel difficult if you don't know the right words.
Don't worry. After today's lesson, you'll know how to ask simple questions, understand common answers, and shop with confidence in English.
We'll learn useful words, easy expressions, and a natural conversation that you can use in real life. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to speak with confidence.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Karim, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson.
Are you ready? Let's go to the supermarket and start today's conversation. Good morning, Sarah. What are you doing today?
Good morning, Karim. I'm going to the supermarket because my refrigerator is almost empty. I need to buy food and drinks for the whole week.
Perfect timing. I also need to do some shopping. Why don't we go together?
That's a great idea. Shopping is always more enjoyable with a friend.
They arrive at the supermarket. Wow, this supermarket is huge. There are so many sections.
Yes, I can see fruits, vegetables, bread, drinks, dairy products, meat, fish, snacks, frozen food, and even clothes.
Everything looks fresh.
Let's start with the fruit section.
Good idea.
I need apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, and strawberries.
I think I'll buy some apples too. They look delicious.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
where can I find fresh mangoes?
They're right over there, next to the pineapples.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. These bananas look fresh.
Yes, and they're on sale today.
Really?
Yes, they're only $1 per kilogram.
Let's buy some vegetables now.
I need tomatoes, potatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, and peppers.
I also need garlic and mushrooms.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking at home because it's healthier and cheaper than eating at restaurants.
I agree.
Now let's go to the bakery.
I need 2 loaves of bread.
I'll buy 1 loaf and 6 croissants.
The bakery smells amazing.
Fresh bread is one of my favorite foods.
Now we need dairy products.
I need milk, butter, cheese, and yogurt.
I need eggs too.
How many eggs are in this box?
12.
Perfect.
Let's buy something to drink.
I usually buy orange juice and mineral water.
I'll buy apple juice and green tea.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, but only 1 cup every morning.
Now we're in the meat section.
I'd like 1 kilogram of chicken.
I'll buy some beef.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, at least once a week.
Now let's buy some snacks.
I'll take some chocolate, biscuits, and potato chips.
Don't forget healthy food.
Don't worry, I'll buy some nuts too.
I also need rice, pasta, sugar, salt, flour, and cooking oil.
I almost forgot. I need black pepper and spices.
Do you always make a shopping list before coming here?
Yes, otherwise I forget many things and buy things I don't really need.
That's very smart.
Our shopping cart is getting full.
Yes, we bought almost everything.
Let's go to the checkout. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a membership card?
Yes, here it is.
Great, you'll receive a small discount today.
That's wonderful.
Your total is $98.
I'll pay by card.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Outside the supermarket. I'm glad we came together today. We bought everything we needed and we practiced a lot of useful English.
Exactly. Going to the supermarket may seem simple, but it's one of the best places to practice everyday English. The more we practice these real-life conversations, the more confident we become.
I can't wait for our next English adventure.
Me too. Let's continue learning together.
Excellent work. Today you learned how to shop at a supermarket in English. You now know how to ask for products, check prices, ask for help, and pay at the checkout.
Remember, learning English becomes easier when you practice real-life conversations. Try using today's vocabulary whenever you go shopping, even if you're practicing by yourself.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What do you usually buy at the supermarket? What's your favorite fruit? Do you prefer shopping at a supermarket or a small shop? Write your answers in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for learning with English with Karim. Keep practicing every day, and we'll see you in episode 8 with another useful English conversation. Everyone, goodbye. Keep learning and see you soon.